Hi everyone, today we're going to make a very simple one-pot herbal chicken with noodles. You only need a few simple herbs. If you want to make something comforting and soupy without much effort, you'll love this recipe. First, let's prep the chicken. I'm using 2 whole chicken legs. Wash them thoroughly with water. Remember to remove any red clots around. Season with some salt. Now leave to marinate for about half an hour. Once the chicken is ready, place the chicken into the rice cooker. Then add the herbs. Remember to rinse the herbs with water before adding in. Here I have a handful of goji berries, dried Solomon seal. Then add water. Cover with the lid. Tilt the lid so that it cooks at a lower heat. Keep warm, then cook. Cook for 1 to 1.5 hours until the chicken is soft and tender. Okay, the chicken's done. Now let's add the noodles. I'm using glass noodles. You can use any noodles you like. If you use other noodles, follow the cooking instructions from the packaging. Now add in the noodles, some vegetables, then continue to cook until it's done. Wow, looks so yummy. The chicken is soft and tender. The meat just falls off the bone. The soup is light, so flavorful, the chicken is tender, and the noodles just absorb all the flavors of the broth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I have other rice cooker recipes. Do check it out on my website. See you next time.